Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has gained popularity for its potential health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits often associated with its use. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that ACV may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels after meals, making it a potential aid for those with type 2 diabetes. Weight management. ACV may help with weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing appetite, which can lead to lower calorie intake. Digestive health. ACV is believed to aid digestion by increasing stomach acidity, which can help break down food more effectively. It may also alleviate symptoms of acid reflux for some people. Antimicrobial properties. ACV has been shown to have antimicrobial effects, which may help kill harmful bacteria and pathogens, making it useful for food preservation and possibly enhancing gut health. Heart health. Some research indicates that ACV may help lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, contributing to better cardiovascular health. Skincare. ACV is sometimes used as a natural remedy for skin issues like acne and dandruff due to its antibacterial properties. However, it should be diluted before applying to the skin. Detoxification. Some people believe that ACV can help detoxify the body, although scientific evidence to support this claim is limited. Improved nutrient absorption. The acetic acid in ACV may enhance the absorption of certain minerals and nutrients from foods. Sore throat relief. Due to its antibacterial properties, diluted ACV may help soothe a sore throat when gargled. Flavor enhancer. ACV adds a tangy flavor to dishes and can be a healthy substitute for other, less nutritious dressings and marinades. How to use apple cider vinegar. 1. Dilution. Always dilute ACV in water before consuming it to prevent tooth enamel erosion and digestive discomfort. 1. A common ratio is 1–2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water. 2. In cooking, use it in salad dressings, marinades, and sauces. 3. In beverages, mix it into smoothies or herbal teas. Precautions. 1. Consult a doctor before starting any new supplement or health regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medications. 2. Dosage. Moderation is key. Excessive consumption can lead to negative effects like digestive upset or throat irritation. While many people find benefits from using apple cider vinegar, individual results may vary, and it's important to approach it as a complementary addition to a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle.